Once upon a time, there was a little riderless peacock in a field. He was grazing on the field when an evil dragon came out and he breathed fire and gave his evil laugh.
Ha 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 ha!
Ah, it's an evil gnome! The gnome swooped down and grabbed him. The next day, they saw the evil gnome and this dragon carrying him in a cage. They didn't know what to do. Carrying up into a mountain. The evil laugh spoke. The evil laugh was cut.